As our industry partners struggle to fill vacant positions, ambitious students are challenged with finding the means to afford a college education. While SUNY Morrisville aims to make education affordable, college tuition, housing, books, uniforms, tools, meals, and transportation can be cost prohibitive, and many capable students miss an opportunity to enroll because of an insurmountable unmet financial need. Scholarships bridge the gap between a desperate workforce and a pipeline of students eager for an education. Your support of scholarship initiatives emboldens our mission to ensure that every student who aspires to earn a SUNY Morrisville degree has their unmet needs satisfied through foundation scholarships.
The students are out there. They're ready. The only gap that they have is the financial gap. With scholarship assistance, they can come to Morrisville. They can get a world-class education and leave here ready to instantly enter the workplace.
We invite you to learn more about these initiatives and contact a member of our team to discuss how you can be a part of these transformational opportunities.